Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am here for a very quick little video, a little reminder about some upcoming events. Number one, we will be doing a Traveling Crafter and Friends on this Saturday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time with friends Hazel Anaka, Carol from Crinkled Path, and Carrie the Paper Monkey, as well as Sandy, who is Woolamina. And we are going to be playing with our Dolly Parton's cake box journals. So I hope that you tune in so that you can see the transformation and everybody's unique take on altering the cake box. And the reason that we're doing that is because we're celebrating a friend, and I hope that in addition to all of the folks that will be joining us, our special guest is Carol from Crinkled Path, who is celebrating her 55th birthday and her retirement in January. And she has an open collab where you can send her a postcard and write your favorite types of ephemera or things that you like to craft with to be entered in a giveaway. She's going to give away her Dolly journal. And you can also get a second entry if you alter a time card, which I've got on my desk because I need to do. And I will be doing a video on that so you can see how I transform that as well. You've still got some time because I think she would like things to arrive, I think, by the 26th, which is her retirement date. So just a few things, but we are going to have a lot of fun. And if you've never participated in a Traveling Crafter and Friends, our craft and chat, grab, your favorite beverage, grab something to work on, and just come along and play, chat in the comments. We're going to have a really good time. So before we go, I wanted to just share with you where I was at with this. Now, when I approached this, my approach was Dolly goes big. Sometimes it's just like overload of even in her costumes, and if you've been to any of her hotels or any of the things that she does big and over the top. So I went a little crazy. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm rolling with it. And I knew that I wanted to use orange, pink, and the pinks and yellow. Three of my very favorite combination of colors. So I've just used some Swiss dot to cover the spine. This was from a dress, probably, a prom dress or ball gown. So I kind of added that. I don't know why I decided to add a pocket there, but I did. I do have an idea of something I'd like to do with it, with the cover, but I don't know if it's going to come to fruition. And in the back, I just wanted to leave a little bit of that showing, so, you could still see that it is a cake box. I mean, come on. So, let's just open this up. And I haven't gotten very far. I've started to cover these. I'm going to do something. I just didn't want the writing if I used a fabric to cover this. These are the flaps, so I'm going to be doing something with this on the front. I also added the two envelopes on the front and the very same thing in the back. I have not sewn in I usually don't sew in my signatures until I'm all finished. Same back here. I'm doing the same thing. This one, I don't know. We'll see how it works out. There we go. So that's the cover. And then all I did was pick out my signatures, and I did sew around some of them because I doubled them front and back and added the trim. So you're seeing this you're seeing this on, the week of our craft and chat, but I don't know how much farther I'm going to get on this before we actually meet. So obviously I have lots of embellishing to do. It is going to be heavily filled with butterfly type ephemera, and maybe a few other things from an homage to her other songs. So, oh, goodness. Well, that's not good. How did that happen? That would have been bad, huh? I sewed it in wrong. So, yeah, it's just a lot of bright colors, a lot of bling. It's going to be very Dolly Parton-esque. If you haven't had a chance, there is well, actually, in my playlist, there's a video that, and it's quite old, but it is a little tour, couple-minute video of her restaurant and bar called the White Limousine, based off of her song. And that is kind of what inspired me. It's just over the top, lots of pink, lots of extras, you know. Some might say gaudy. I think it's just totally perfectly Dolly. So that was kind of my inspo on this, and I'm having a good time doing it. And I can't wait for our time together, but stay tuned. I will also be doing this time card. Hopefully that will air before our craft and chat as well. But if you haven't, hop on over, show all of those ladies some love, and participate with Carol. She is working really hard to get to her 1,000 subscribers in addition to her retirement and birthday. So she would love to have you stop over and subscribe. So that is all for today. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. I invite you to subscribe if you have not yet, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.